place is so big and beautiful. See. Hey everyone, my name is Annette and welcome to my channel. This video is about Kew Gardens, right? So I actually visited a while back. This video is all over the place. I know, I deleted some clips. At first I got discouraged. I didn't want to post it. I just got tired, and when I'm just looking for storage on my phone, I just keep deleting video clips and all of that. So yeah, but today I was obviously wanting to clear out my storage, and I just saw the videos. I was like, why not? This is such a great memory. Why not? I would love to share. So Kew Gardens entry isn't free. Ticket prices vary depending on when you visit. So you have the peak period, you have off-peak period, you have after 4 p.m. tickets, you have tickets for kids. The prices vary, so I would advise that you check out their website so that you will know the price that applies to you. Guys, my friend actually got me this ticket, so I want to say a big shout out to her. So this place is actually very huge, like very, very huge. If you are not careful, you are going to get lost. In fact, we got lost inside this place, despite the fact that they actually gave us a map. So this map enables you to navigate. They give it to you at the entrance because you can waste a bulk of your time looking for one place. Like, I'm not even joking. So my advice is that you plan your visit. Go to the attractions that you're most excited about first. And I say this because there was one place I wanted to visit. I can't remember the name of the place now. But when we got there, we had not even spent up to how many minutes when they said, that we should leave, that they're about to close. So what I observed is that every attraction is like they have their own closing time. So just ensure that you are conversant. And I advise you that you go on time so that you can explore as many places as possible, because I didn't get to explore as much places as I wanted to. But however, there are a lot of attractions. Like I said, you have the treetop walkway, you have the Temperate House, which is the world's largest Victorian glass house. You have the Hive. It's a cool structure here. It mimics the sound of a real beehive. You have the Palm House. This one is a tropical rainforest inside a glass house. I've actually deleted a lot of these clips, which I find like I'm so very, very angry at myself. Like, I'm so mad at myself right now, but it is what it is. You have the Water Lily House, home to giant water lilies. You have the Royal Botanical Gardens. This is a paradise for plant lovers. This place is so stunning. So let's talk about food. All right, there are a couple of restaurants inside this place, and the food there is quite affordable. I mean, like, it's quite affordable. So if you're hungry, you don't have to go out to get anything. Like, whatever you need is inside. You can just grab a meal inside and continue your journey, because I promise you, you are going to be tired at some point, right? Also, if you like taking Instagram worthy pictures, this place is for you. There are so many aesthetically pleasing spots to snap amazing shots, and your feed is gonna thank you. Overall, I think this place is really nice. It's absolutely beautiful, and I highly recommend visiting if you get a chance. And you know how we as creators, how you really want to create, you want to document, you get somewhere and you just get discouraged. Most of the time I feel like that, because I've been to a couple of places and I'll document and I'll end up deleting them. So yeah, I'm happy that I actually got to put this one out there. So I just want to say that thank you so much for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching once again, and see you in my next one. Bye bye.